Okay guys, this is order preparation. So you have hustled and haggled your way into making a large small order and it is en route to you right now. Woo, nice work. Now you have to prepare your work area on and offline. Here are a few things to take into consideration before the big delivery. Where are you going to store your order? Make sure you have a dedicated area for storing your products. Obviously, you're not going to know how much space you will need till they show up, so take that into consideration. Well, the best way to say is better too much than too little. I mean, if you've got a garage you don't use, then there you go, there's your storage area. If you've got a part of your living room that's always a bit vacant or it's got a running machine in it that you never use, move the running machine, now you've got a storage area. It's going to be a place that a lot of boxes are going to be coming to and from, so you kind of need to make it kind of a permanent aspect. Is there any preparation needed upon its arrival? Will you be packing it with bonus products, putting it with new packaging that you sourced, sorting it into colours and sizes? How will this be sorted and how will you organise it so it's easy to access? Okay, the whole idea is when you get an online order, you can walk straight up to your products, grab the product, you know the colour, you know the size, it's all labelled, bonus products attached to it, you can stick it in an envelope, slap a label on it, it's gone. Quickness is key, otherwise you don't want to be hunting around a house looking for something or looking for the bonus product, you can't find it, or that colour you thought you had but now you don't have, you must have sold out of it. That gets you bad reviews, things get sloppy and you will lose money. Okay, so be quick and organised from the get-go. Preparation can take up a lot of space. Try to visualize how the process is going to take place and make the space accordingly. It's always best to have a plan and lots of table space to pack and prepare your products. Exactly. Table space is great because if you've got a whole load of products coming in, you're going to have to take them all out. They all need to be inspected. They all need to be looked at. You need to make sure that your factory's got it all right. Then you need to pack it into your new packaging, or you need to sort into colours and everything ready to be packed for when the orders come in. This all takes up space and time, and you need to kind of visualise and have a system prepared where it goes out of the box, goes in the envelope, bonus product goes in, goes into a box, into the green box for the green products that you're selling. Then there's a blue box and a red box for the red products and the, etc., etc. Post is one of the biggest factors when determining how much to charge for your product. Prepare one of your samples as if you're going to send it. Then measure and weigh it. Check with the local postage service to you to see what the charges are. Having a knowledge of your postal charge is very important. Obviously, you want to keep your price of your product within the market and what's being sold out there already. But if you can offer free postage in a field where no one else is, then that gives you a distinct advantage. If the postage is going to cost a lot more, or it's going to be a big cost and you knew it was, kind of figure out a way of how to spread that cost between you and the customer. Maybe you soak up half of it into your margins and the customer pays half of it as part of a shipping fee. Okay, source and prepare your packing materials. If you have hundreds of products, then there is no need to have hundreds of boxes, but have enough to get yourself started. More can always be ordered. One of the best places around to order boxes, envelopes, bubble wraps, tape, fragile stickers, whatever, is eBay. And the service is very quick. So you'll be able to get boxes and tape and that very quickly. You don't need to have, if you're ordering, say, 500 products, you don't have to have 500 boxes ready. You can have like 150 boxes. And then once you start getting through them, then you can say, okay, I need to order some more boxes. Okay. Where are you going to sell your products? Do you need to open new accounts? Okay, we're going to go on to a whole category here of selling your products, and that's coming up. But for now, focus on the accounts that you need to open. Do you have an eBay account? Do you need to open an eBay account? Do you have a Craigslist account? Do you need to open one? Do you have a Gumtree account? Are you going to be selling locally? Are you going to go and make friends with some of your local shop owners? Go down there and ask them if they want to buy your product wholesale, take a few units off you at a reduced price. that sort of thing. Local shops tend to sell products a little more expensive than, say, supermarkets anyway, because you're getting the convenience, which means that they'll be able to take it off you at a decent price for yourself too. It's definitely worth an option there. Other websites that you think you might be able to sell on, make sure you've got all your accounts set up and ready. Okay, and finally, I recommend using online postage and printing the labels. It's way quicker than queuing in the post office and looks more professional too. The Royal Mail have an online facility in the UK, and I believe stamps.com is the way to go for the US. Definitely, I love online postage. It's very convenient, and I just can't stand standing in the post office queue. It's one of the most horriblest things in the world. I have friends in America who completely agree with me, and they use stamps.com and they say it's very good. Okay, that's it for this lecture. I hope there's some useful tips in there. Can't wait for your order to arrive. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.